Magsupor.
In Bangkino Mountain, sila din po yung mga hunter-gatherer. So, meron po silang dalawang spears. So, sabi niya po, ito po yung surayang at ito naman po isa ay likid. Likid looks like a simple spear, but that is 100 years old, handed generation to generation. And this surayang looks like a harpoon, but it is not for fishing. So, they just simply throw it in a distance, and if they hit the target, the metal will separate because of the two hooks. The purpose of the handle is to start hanging on the trees or bushes, and the target will no longer run. Basically, the purpose of this surayang is for trapping, and that ligid is for follow-up kill. And in the mountain, whenever